Good afternoon from San Diego, California, guys. We are back on the road. We need to give my dad a big shout out for letting us crash in his driveway and watching the dogs and all that good stuff. We really appreciate it. Also, hope you enjoyed our time in San Diego and that little getaway to Tijuana. You know, show you a little bit more of what Tijuana in Mexico is really like. So the RV life is always interesting, especially when you're an RV traveler like us. Just as we were pulling out of my dad's driveway, noticed an oil leak from the right rear axle seal, and I've never noticed that one before. And the unusual part was the fact that the RV was sitting for like a week and a half or two. On a positive note, it is under warranty. We're on our way to Temecula to Les Schwab, and if you guys have been following our travels, you will know that last April when we were in Oregon, after the tree fell on us, we got a brake job done at Les Schwab because the caliper locked up on the left rear. So we had the repair done at Les Schwab in Aloha, Oregon, and they have a 25,000 mile 3-year warranty, so we're all good on that one, fortunately. So the big thing today is just make it up to Temecula so we can be the first ones getting serviced in the morning. Alright guys, we've made it to Temecula. Originally I was kind of thinking the Walmart, but the Walmart is not RV friendly here. So we opted for the Pechanga Casino. You can't go wrong at the casinos. This one gives you 24 hours free parking. All we need is about 18. We are getting settled into the RV life again. On the way up, everything was falling over. Once we get here, opening cabinets, stuff is falling out, but that's just the way it goes. A little update on what's happening at home. We got 2 more feet of snow again, and our house is buried in snow. I'm pretty sure it's gonna rain, so the brunt of the snow will slide off the roof, and then we'll probably have to get a loader out to clear that away from the house, but that's all part of the Alaska life. This vlog was a very short one, but it's real, and that's what we're all about. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow.